Hello friends, welcome to another chapter related to Tableau tutorial. In this part you will learn about analysis using maps in Tableau. So the data set that we are using here is US state populations data as per 2018. So we have this data here and this was updated 3 years ago. So this is the data set here and this data has acknowledgements of wordpopulationreview.com/states. So now we will download this data. So this is a CSV file which is called statepopulations.csv. We will download it. So either you can go to Kaggle and find this data, or you can look into the resources section of this chapter and you will find this data. So we have this data. Now what we are going to do here, we will open a new Tableau public here. So let's run Tableau public. If you have any other version of Tableau, the process will be almost same as in this case. So now we have to connect our CSV file. So we'll be using text here, and so I have connected my text file here, and you can see here that we have two columns here. First column is this state and second column is this 2018 population. So this is population as per year 2018, and we have different states written here. You can see a globe icon created here automatically. So Tableau is automatically telling us that this is state data, this is geographical data. Now we will go to sheet and we can name our sheet as state wise population of USA 2018, whatever you want to name it. Now here you can see these are the only two columns that are available in data. One is this state column and second is this measure 2018 population, but some other values are calculated here. So this is a generated value, state population. This is longitude and latitude is also generated automatically. Now we have to analyze a state-wise population and we have to use map. If you will go to map, you will see that map requires one geographical value and 0 or more dimensions and 0 or 1 measure. So what we are going to do here, we already have one geographical value, that is state. When you will drag this, so it will show you the data like this. Now we can do some analysis using bar graphs also here. So now if you will drag 2018 population here, so it is going to use sum of population, but for every state we have only one value. So sum is actually going to give us that particular one value. And what we are going to do here, we can use some features of Tableau to sort this data. So let's say which state has highest population. So to see the state with highest population, simply click on this and you will be able to see that in USA, California has the highest population as per 2018 and as per this particular data set that we have. And the state with lowest population is Wyoming. And now this is analysis on bar. We want to analyze this data on graph. We want to analyze this data on maps. So simply click on maps here. But here, here is something that you are seeing is 51 unknown. So you might be from any particular country or any particular region, but in your case, you have to choose the region in Tableau also. So currently we are analyzing data of USA, and in my case the default country or region is set as India, and it is set as the data is of a state. So it is unable to find this data and unable to match this data. So from here we will change this data to United States, and now it will be able to map this data automatically. So now you can see Tableau understands this data, and if you have unknown value or suppose name of a state is written differently in your data set, so you can match the state with matching location given here. So now we will click OK, and now you can see we have information of a state here. You can zoom this data, and here we have two shades of, here we have blue color here, and the lighter shades of blue is lighter shade of blue is representing states with lowest population, and darkest shade of blue is representing a state with highest population. You can see here California is the state with highest population, so we have California as dark blue here. Then after California, I can easily see that Texas is here, and maybe we have Florida and New York, and Alaska is lighter, and we also have Hawaii. So you can analyze the data as per your knowledge of geographical coordinates. And this is a very simple example. Suppose if you want to zoom and if you want to see any particular state, so you can click here and you can use this tool. It is called pan. You can also press F for this. So you can use the pan to zoom anywhere in the graph. So this is a very simple analysis. This is data of 2018. There are different sources on internet from where you can get the latest data also, so that you can analyze the latest data. You can also analyze data of 2018 with respect to data of 2021 and see what are the changes. So you can do different sort of stuff using maps in Tableau.